Hello everyone, this video is about MVAC app. It's actually a desktop application and in this video I'm gonna tell each and every aspect about this application. For this we have to follow the step 1. Just open the Google Chrome, type mvac.live. Here we go. A new window has appeared. As you can see, just right over here, there's a download setup tab. You can download the setup of the whole application from here. I'm going back. Let's open it. Here we go. Now it's asking for a login ID and the password, which is our step 2. I would like to tell you one thing, that this application is capable to detect either the login ID is of client or a login ID is of admin. So it's just an easy case. Okay, all right, let's type the ID and the password. Okay, as you can see, a new tab has been appeared. So basically this MVAC application is everything about management of clients, services, statistics and the receipt. So our third step would be how we would manage the client. This step is all about the admin, like an admin can assess every detail and every aspect of the client from here. Let's open it. As you can see, various number of clients detail are already written here. Alright, this tab is all about the updation of client, deletion of client, or we can add the detail of new client. You can easily update the data of any client by this tab. You can delete the data of any client by this tab. And here's a tab by which you can add the data of your new client. Let's take an example. When we click on the client detail, whole detail is appeared. I just want to change the profession or the occupation of the client. For this, I will go on an update tab. Let's type engineer, record updated. Okay, I will go back and we can see the profession and the occupation has been changed. Similarly, we can delete the data of any client. Like if I want to delete the data of Amna Hashmi, I would just click on it. I will go on a delete tab and the data would be deleted. If I want to add the detail of any new client, I will just go here. I will type any data like just like this. Type any random phone number, text number and the occupation. Type postal address. I'm gonna copy paste over here. Type email address. Just like this, and the password. I would like to tell you one thing. When we change or when we update the data of any client, we can change all the data except this one, like email address and the password wouldn't change at any condition because whole database has been designed against these two tags. So we can't change the email address and password, but we can change other details. All right. Add record. New record has saved. Just go back and we would find it. Just like this. Look at this. We just added it now. All right. So the client detail tab is all about how we would manage the client. Now our next step would be about services. Alright, the service tab. This tab is all about the service that an admin is providing to his client. Like we can update the data of service, we can delete the data of service, and we can even add new services. We can change any detail, like we can update the fee, we can update the date of settlement, we can update the amount settled, even we can date the service node. But one thing that has to be kept in mind, that we can't change the title of the service. If we want to change the title of the service, then we have to delete the whole service and we have to recreate it from the start. So we can say that it's an easy process, like we can update any detail, we can delete any detail, we can add new service, just like the previous case as we have seen in the management of client. All right, got it? Now let's go back. It's another tab, like another step, stat. Alright, this stats tab is all about the services, like how many number of services an admin has provided to its number of client. We can see the details daily, weekly or monthly. If we click on the month, it will show all the details that are provided by the admin in a previous month. Alright, so if there any detail that has entered in the previous month, it will be shown right here. Let's go back. Now go on and receipt tab, which is our another step. Alright, this receipt tab is all about how we can see a receipt, how we can delete any receipt, or how we can add any receipt. We can change the data of receipt, like name, like date. Even we can change the picture of the receipt, like if we browse over here, a new picture has to be selected and it will be appeared just right here. So basically, this tab is about the receipt data related to the client about the services that has been provided by an admin. So this MVAC tab has actually 4 steps which has been explained to you by me, and this is all about it. So by tabbing here, you would be able to pay us and then you can enjoy our this application for about 1 year. That's all. Thank you.